Have you ever wondered how people are always able to move so fast and get so much done? And you're like, there's no way they must have a team. Well, I'm gonna let you know that's not always the case. Some people are just truly honed in, and also they have something called kits, right?
Coze.
I just wanted to let you
Have you ever
know.
opened up a toolkit and you see like a drill bit, you see a drill, you see a screwdriver, you see a hammer, you see all these different types of things that will go ahead and help get the job done? Well, that's the same way that people, entrepreneurs, right? So my shout out to my entrepreneurs and creatives, right? Um, they're pretty much like doing their own thing, but in their own way. And how? That's simple. It's pretty much by having their own digital kits. So a digital kit is very easy to do. It just takes time at the beginning, right? When you have a digital kit, this is going to allow you to be able to get certain processes done in a way that is not only going to help you speed and save up more time so you can apply that to other administrative tasks, right, as a business owner, but it's going to also help you get a better understanding on what is exactly the frame of mind and what is exactly the goal at hand, right? The target at hand. So, for instance, for me right now, my current digital kit is I have Claude AI, I have two journals, and then I also have a Notion doc as well as a Google Docs, right? That I kind of go back and forth with. And those digital kits are allowing me to be able to operate in a way that's giving me the flow that I need, if that makes sense, right? For instance, in my journal, all I have is literal brain dumps. I just write down a whole bunch of crap. And then after that, I put it onto a Google Docs or a Notion template. And then from there, I go ahead and I get it refined by Claude to make sure there's no grammatical errors. And then guess what? After that, I go back and then I write more and actually do like a second draft. And after I do my second draft, I run it through to make sure that it's flowing exactly with like what I'm saying and making sure that it makes sense. And then boom, bam, I just made my workflow 10 times easier because I used to have people that would go over my scripts for clients or go over my newsletters for me for my personal brand, and it was cool, but it was just took so long. It took way too long, and then some of them were opinionated, and it wasn't always the right opinions that they were giving or the right advice. So this is a great way if you just want to get it if you just want to get from point A to point B, pretty much. That's what I'm trying to say, right? So you can create kits too in real life too. Like I have a break list or a crunch list where pretty much every single time I get something done, I crunch, right? Like I get it done. I'm like, I did that. And one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. I have 8 things that I have to do every day. And if I don't do that, then there's a problem. Sorry. But it works. It really does work. It has helped me get to another level that I needed to get to. And I decided, I was like, oh, I think today I'm going to talk to you guys about kits and like the importance of having a digital kit as well as a physical one. But let's circle back and get anchor back to the main point, which is digital kits. Okay, if you are a creative, if you are an entrepreneur, the thing that you need to make sure to do is that your toolkit, right, your digital toolkit, your kit is optimized. You need to make sure that you're checking on what's serving you and what's not. You need to make sure that the data that you have collected is actually being analyzed. Like you can't be over here saying, "Oh, I'm doing great. I'm making money. I'm making 5,000 a month. I'm making 10,000 a month." And maybe even 50,000 a month, and you're saying, "Okay, great, I'm good." No, 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 no. You're good for now or maybe a couple months or maybe for the rest of the year, but what about next year? You need to start thinking ahead of time and asking yourself, "Okay, how do I want to perceive and move with these kits?" are they truly serving me? I literally had to go through my Claude and I had to see, I was like, oh, okay, my Claude has been using old information based off of old like content and like ways that I was operating. And I had to say, hey, forget all of that and literally only focus on the newest content. And then I also had to go into like its history and delete all like the old types of like processes because I don't want my LLM, my model, my large language model um to go live language model yeah my LLM to go ahead and operate based off of old understandings of me, you know. So that's what I mean by having a digital kit and like making sure that you're optimizing it, making sure that you're checking on it, because that's one of them. The other thing was my Google Docs. My Google Docs was all over the place. I had so many just random things and all that. I deleted all that and I just cleaned it up because sometimes, right, the clutter can creep up on you over time, not immediately. And you see it, you acknowledge it, but you keep on focusing on what you got to do. But I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you, lady, like when you have mental clarity, when you are cleaning and doing like monthly cleanups on your drives and everything, it really changes the game, right? So let's talk about something else that was actually not part of the plan. The next thing that we're gonna talk about is stacks. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about it more in another video, but what are stacks? This is a new thing that I haven't seen this online anywhere, but it most likely is somewhere. But for me, right, I was like, what if I start creating stacks? What if I start creating stacks that are going to serve me? Like I have toolkits that have tools that are going to help me get the job done, right? Google Docs, Notion, Claude AI, let's see, Miro, right? I have some great workspaces that are in my toolkit that I could open up. So thankful for them. But what about the other things, right? What about things that are going to help my mentality? What about things that are going to help me push to another level? And when you think about this and when you actually acknowledge this, you start to realize, like, oh crap, I have other things that I need to work on. I need to create some stacks. So I created some everyday stacks that have really been changing the game for me. And the first one is like my breakfast stack. Every single morning now I have chia seed pudding, and also too I'm making sure to read as well as go outside for a walk, and those have been some major game changers for me. I'm no longer wondering about I'm no longer wondering what I'm going to eat, and on top of that too, I'm getting my vitamin D, and I'm what is it word calibrating my cortisol levels too, and just making sure that I'm operating as a good human being. So it's pretty cool. And these stacks I've been making for other things too, like even like filming this, I've been kind of looking around in the lab, right? This lab, and I've been just seeing, okay, where am I most comfortable? Where can I kind of just like share my thoughts as well as talk to you in a way where you're going to understand and get a little bit more of an understanding with me. And I'm not gonna lie, this has been the move so far. Definitely talking to you on here has been pretty enjoyable, like I've been enjoying the process of communicating with you because now it's more personal. Now I feel like you're right here with me, and it's just cool, dude. Like, I don't know, I'm getting a lot more comfortable with you, and I'm happy about that because I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I'm kind of shy, but people change, people can grow, and that's the best part about focusing on the outcome instead of the goal. But truthfully, why are stacks important and why are kits important? Well, the reason why, honestly, is that it's just going to give you a better just quality of life. I'm pretty much going to be filming maybe like 10 videos of like IG content most likely today. And once I do that, that's 10 days worth of content done. And that's all I'm doing for the day. And obviously for some people they're like, "Oh, okay, it's not that hard to just sit in front of the camera and talk." Well, if it's not, then why aren't you doing it? You know? It's a lot harder than it looks. It's just some people can make it look easier, But that's besides the point. That's neither here nor there, right? When you have these kits, when you have these stacks, it's just going to give you the upper edge versus everybody else. And it's going to separate you from your current self, and it's going to allow you to get closer to your future self, the version that you like, the version that you love. Because I know you are tired of just waking up every day not being who you know you're meant to be. I know you're tired. I know you're tired. You might have a big following right now, and you have a lot of people that are DMing you and giving you the praise that you enjoy, but I know that's not exactly what you always want to hear. I know that sometimes you might feel kind of empty inside. I know that sometimes it seems very superficial and you're sick of it. I know that sometimes you feel like you're trapped. I get it. I know sometimes you feel like the business is the only way out, but the answer is that's not, you know? The answer is that you working on yourself and you working on building better kits, better digital stacks, right? Or better digital kits and you know, stacks. Well, you could do stacks too. That's like they're kind of interchangeable. But like, you know what I mean? Like what I'm trying to say is that you can get better. You can fix it. You can grow and evolve from the version that you are now. It's just going to take time. It's just going to take time. So, more of the story today is if you haven't already, try out creating a digital toolkit. Go ahead and get your favorite editor app, get your favorite note-taking app, get your favorite um cleaning app, just get all the apps that will work for you, put them in a folder and have that so you can just press it and go to town when you need to use it. And then the next thing also on top of that is make sure that you are having an actual physical stack. Make sure you're having a breakfast stack, make sure you're having a shower stack, right? Because once I've created these stacks, my life has been better. I know exactly where my toothbrush is, I know exactly where my facial routine is. Like I know things that are going to allow me to do it in a faster way. I have them placed in different places. And before I go to the gym, guess what? I have my clothes already pre-done, and I have my water with my pre-workout non-stim stuff there too. So there are ways to optimize to do better in the day. You just have to choose it. It's a lot of work at the beginning, but it pays off over time. And I'm just living proof to show that. So, anyways, you have a great one today. Can we give a round of applause for our completers? Can we give a round of applause for the people that resonate with this video and that actually understand what I'm saying? For the people that are making it happen, like kudos to y'all for real, because this is not something for the faint of heart, but we're doing it. We're showing up every day and we're doing what we have to do. It's not the easiest thing, but it's going to pay off long term, and it's just going to create a better quality of life. And that's all we're here for to do. I'm just here to make impact. I'm here to bring mental clarity to you and, you know, help you out. So if you want actual help, like one on one, like time with me, shoot me a DM and I can see like what we can do. I'm kind of already pretty much booked with my clients currently, but I'm pretty sure I could work something out or figure something out. But anyways, you have a great one. If you like this video, there's many more of different things coming. We talk about, motivation, we talk about work, we talk about social media, marketing, we talk about content creation, we talk about being a creative, we just talk about mindset. There's a lot of good stuff on here on this page that we talk about. So, you know, yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you later. I'll see you in the next one, okay? Deuces.